So someone sent me a picture today of a black LR3, and it was just a picture as he was driving by and he said he saw a for sale sign on it. So, of course, what do you do when you get that? All I got is a street name, and that's it. So we're gonna go try to find this LR3, and we're in a vehicle that I've not done a video on yet, but we just picked it up, and it might also be a Land Rover with high mileage and some BMW looking things on the inside. But that's a story for a later date. We are gonna creep down this road and see if we can find this Land Rover. What else are you gonna do on a Monday night? So from the picture we got, it is on the right side of the road. It's black. Oh look, M6. This is also a very eclectic area of Richmond where there's always interesting stuff, street park. But right side of the road, slight incline, and there is, I'll drop a picture of the picture that I got. Slight incline, and then maybe some commercial buildings on the right-hand side. It's funny, every time we go to the west end of Richmond, it's on a wild goose chase with not all the information. So we were successful last time picking up the wagon, and this doesn't look great. There's no cars parked over here. Huh, I wonder if they got leaf clearing or something, but I'm assuming it's much farther up. All right, this is a little baby incline. Ooh, I think I see it.
I think this is it.
I think I see it.
Oh yeah, this is it.
All right, can we fit behind it?
I don't think so.
Ooh, there it is.
Actually, if I can. I'll just pull in front of it.
Yeah, pull in front of it. Ha! Here she is, 2008 LR3, 168,000 miles. All receipts, new air suspension, master brake cylinder, brake lines, water pump, pretty much everything. Coolant hose, control arms, wheel bearings just inspected. And I got a number in June. Not bad. So, aftermarket hitch, that's good. That's not good. The paint on it isn't great. But it looks like a decent car, minus some of the stuff. Ooh. Tires aren't great. A lot of Nissan badging on this one. Not super rusty. Faded headlights, but it does have the little, call it the Hitler stash, which is probably not the politically correct term for it, but oh man, there's a lot of oil. Not something you usually see on an LR, which is too bad. Missing the squirtles, front squirtles. Definitely has some alignment issues there as well. But I do like the black paint. Ooh, and some condensation from potential water intrusion, maybe. I don't know. Coming from what I just got out of, this might not be a slam dunk. But not terrible. I'm sure the guy's gonna come out and wonder why I'm creeping out here. Holy shit, it has rust? Oh, that's just the board. But, huh. I'm trying to get hit by a car out here, but I don't know, man. Oh. There's a lot going on here for $6,800. So we're gonna get that number and maybe call him some other day. All right, back in the mystery rover. Yeah, that was a very interesting oddball of an L322. I mean, sorry, of an LR3. Usually they're in better condition. That one was gave me that very used car vibe. I got the guy's number. I might call him tomorrow. I don't know. He's asking $6,800, which I don't think is a great price for a truck that it looks like it's pissing oil and needs tires. Those are two obvious signs that the maintenance was not kept up on it, and some of the other little details on it. I'm not saying it doesn't have potential, but that one gave me an odd feeling. And I have a feeling it's been for sale for a while. So we'll check it out in the morning and see where it goes. But I wasn't too excited about it.